Why is crypto down today? June 26, 2025. Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency. Market. That's a clear signal that this market is no longer just about chasing short-term gains. It is about long-term positioning, risk management, and belief in the future of digital assets, says Andrejs Balans, risk manager at YouHodler. Journalist. Fadilpašić. Journalist. Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. June 26, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The crypto market is down today. The majority of the top 100 coins have recorded price decreases over the past 24 hours, but most top 10 coins are up. Moreover, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has fallen by 1% in that period to $3.43 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $99.9 billion, the same level as yesterday. TLDR. The crypto market is down overall, but the prices have seen notable increases over the past 3 days. BTC and ETH appreciated by nearly 2% each, trading at $107,827 and $2,480 respectively. Markets reacted positively to de-escalation in the Middle East and rising institutional adoption. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs have seen 12 consecutive days of positive flows. BTC is ready to move into its utility phase and lay the foundation for the next era of finance and payments. The market sentiment signals ongoing caution. Crypto winners and losers. 5 of the top 10 coins per market cap are up, while 3 are down at the time of writing, not taking the 2 stable coins into account. Bitcoin, BTC, appreciated by 1.5%, now trading at $107,827. Notably, this is up from $101,924 over 6 days. Furthermore, Ethereum ETH appreciated the most in this category. It's up by 1.9%, changing hands at $2,480. Lido staked Ether Steth saw an equal rise. Binance Coin, BNB, recorded the smallest increase in this category of 0.3%, meaning it's unchanged, now standing at $2.19. Moreover, about 20 of the top 100 coins saw their prices increase over the past day, many of them ETH-related. Kaspa KS and Bitcoin Cash BCH appreciated the most, 5.2% each to the prices of $0.0781 and $496 respectively. At the same time, 2 coins saw double-digit decreases. Fartcoin is down 11.3% to $0.9739, while SEI fell 11% to the price of $0.2755. Notably, SoFi, a San Francisco-based financial platform, is planning to relaunch BTC and ETH trading later this year after exiting the space in 2023. Moreover, it will add more features including crypto-backed loans, staking, and stablecoin support. Bitcoin is ready to move into its utility phase. Dom Hars, co-founder of L2BOB, commented that geopolitical uncertainty led to a brief BTC dip below $99,000, followed by a recovery to consolidate above $105,000. This signals growing market maturity, Hars argues. The recovery shows increasing liquidity and the coin's deeper integration into mainstream portfolios, with both institutions and retail investors entering the space. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs have seen 12 consecutive days of positive flows, the longest streak since December 2024. Bitcoin now sits at the intersection of institutional adoption, retail momentum, regulatory clarity, and integration into the foundations of the global financial system, Hars says. What comes next is the final piece of the puzzle, a technological leap forward to enable true Bitcoin DeFi. That breakthrough is closer than ever. As infrastructure advances catch up to capital inflows, Bitcoin is ready to move into its utility phase and lay the foundation for the next era of finance and payments. Speaking of ETFs, Andrejs Balans, risk manager at YouHodler, notes that the momentum behind Bitcoin ETFs has been impossible to ignore, with billions of dollars flowing in. This tells us that institutions are no longer standing on the sidelines. They're treating Bitcoin like a long-term asset similar to gold or government bonds. Thanks to ETFs, they can do it through familiar, regulated channels. It's not flashy, but it is one of the strongest signs yet that crypto has earned a seat at the financial table, Balans writes. Moreover, total assets under management are at all-time highs, with more sophisticated strategies built around BTC, ETH, and diversified crypto baskets. That's a clear signal that this market is no longer just about chasing short-term gains. It is about long-term positioning, risk management, and belief in the future of digital assets, Balans argues. We're not in the early days anymore, and we're not just in it for the memes. With clear rules, growing trust, and institutional adoption, crypto is becoming part of the financial mainstream. He also discussed Ethereum's role, arguing that it's quietly becoming the infrastructure layer of the digital economy. It offers yield through staking, which institutional investors are increasingly exploring. Earning yield on digital assets in a secure, compliant way is precisely the kind of offering that could bring traditional finance even deeper into crypto, Balans says. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing, BTC trades at $107,827. The chart shows the price gradually rising from the intraday low of $106,170. It briefly hit the daily high of $108,117 before slightly correcting back to the mid-$107,000 territory. That said, BTC managed to break another level the investors were waiting to see, the $107,500 mark. It also started retesting the $108,100 level, creating paths for additional rises. With this, it also hit a weekly high, recovering from the lows of $98,974. Next targets are $110,490 and $112,080. At the same time, Ethereum is currently trading at $2,480. It jumped to the intraday high of $2,510 earlier this morning, UTC. Moreover, the coin is currently working to surpass its weekly high $2,552, but it's not quite there yet. That said, the current price marks a notable rise from the intra-week low of $2,177. Additionally, the crypto market sentiment is moving within neutral territory after exiting the fear zone 2 days ago. The Fear and Greed Index has seen a slight increase over the past day from 48 yesterday to 50 today. These moves indicate caution in the market but not panic among investors. Furthermore, on June 25th, US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, recorded another significant day of inflows, seeing $547.72 million. BlackRock is at the top of the list, recording $340.28 million in inflows, followed by Fidelity's $115.19 million. The cumulative total net inflow now reaches $48.14 billion. Moreover, US ETH ETFs recorded inflows of $60.41 million. Of this amount, BlackRock saw $55.18 million and Bitwise $5.23 million. Currently, the cumulative total net inflow sits at $4.13 billion. Notably, Japanese company Metaplanet has added another 1,234 BTC to its treasury, bringing its total holdings to 12,345 BTC. This is a part of its $555 million plan, per which it aims to raise $5.4 billion to buy 210,000 BTC by 2027. Moreover, the Moscow Exchange is set to launch a new Bitcoin index futures offering, in addition to crypto funds and structured bonds. The managing director Vladimir Krekitin said a new BTC derivative instrument launch was imminent. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? While the crypto market saw another relatively minor daily decrease, the stock market saw a mixed picture on Tuesday. The S&P 500 went down by 0.00033%, the Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.21%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.25%. Analysts argued that the stock market reacted to U.S. President Donald Trump looking for a replacement for Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. Is this dip sustainable? As analysts previously predicted, the market will continue seeing dips while the prices increase long-term. This will likely continue for the foreseeable future. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sacks as White House AI and crypto czar. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Why is crypto down today? June 26, 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Cardano by the end of 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. John Deaton says $100 billion Ripple valuation is possible. Here's what that means for XRP. 1 day ago. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction, major breakout predicted within 90 days, $589 XRP possible? 7 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Altcoin news. Ripple settlement denied as Judge Torres rejects $50 million deal. XRP institutional sales remain limited. 13 hours ago. By Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in June 26, 2025. 2 days ago. By NSS Tavares. 12 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025 pre-sale crypto list. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. April 11, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.